Good morning, everybody, and welcome to day 17 of the Figment Creative Writing Workshops. How are you all feeling this morning? Send a little emoji in the comments to sum up how you're all doing. I'm struggling a bit this morning for energy, feeling a bit sleepy. But, you know, I've got the wee man down there to be positive and fun for, and I've got you guys as well, so thank you very much for coming along and giving me another reason to give myself a good positive kick up the bum, even if it's just for 10-15 minutes each day. It's very much appreciated. Friends out there, you might want to give me a wee call later for a wee giggle and a wee share and share how we're all doing. I'm looking forward to seeing some friends tonight. We're going to have about 3/4 of an hour to an hour of a wee writing workshop, which is just an excuse to have a bit of social grown-up contact as well. So I'm very much looking forward to that and doing that for a few friends. If that's something that some more of you would be interested in doing on a weekly or fortnightly or monthly basis or something, let me know and I'll see what I can do to help organise that on Zoom. So anyway, our prompt for this morning. Our prompt for this morning is very much coming from where I'm feeling this morning. And I posted on Facebook earlier on that this morning is the first morning for a long, long time that I've really felt the need for a duvet day. So, you know, the sort of duvet day where you lie in bed all day and catch up on your reading and have chocolate for breakfast and just doze to old movies on the background, these sorts of things. So, duvet day. But a duvet day, of course, just now for people means different things. So that is our prompt for this morning. I will grab my phone. Before I get started, I'm quite keen on this one. So our 6 minutes this morning. Janie apparently feels like Superwoman or something. And Francis looks very cheerful, giving a little wave. So thanks, guys. 6 minutes this morning on Duvet Day starts now. Okay, that was your 6 minutes up. I hope you had as good a wee writing session as I did. Sometimes you can have a totally different when you write, when you are feeling less, that you have less energy. Sometimes you write in a slower way, brings a totally different energy. I usually write very quickly, but I really enjoyed writing a wee bit more slowly there today. And those of you who watched the screen there might have seen the camera take a little dunt, and that was Peppy coming by to say hello. And here she is coming back again. Come on, pussycat. So, have a lovely day, everybody. I'll be talking to a few of you later on. And yeah, happy writing. Stay safe. Stay well, everybody. Speak to you again tomorrow morning.